Seekho.
Question number 1. Why didn't the old man follow the advice of the doctors? Answer. He didn't follow the advice of the doctors because he had to bring up a family of 5 children. He was a man of iron will. He wanted to work. He did not lose his heart. Question number 2. What had the doctors told the old man? Answer. The doctors had told him to sit still and take life easy. They told him not to do any work and to enjoy the few remaining days of his life. One of them told him not to walk even the length of a city block. Question number 3. Where did the old man take his son to? Answer. The old man took his son to the top of the mountain to show him a piece of land which he had cleared and farmed. Question number 4. Why did writer's father want him to visit the fertile clearings? Answer. The writer's father wanted to show him his achievement, the fruit of his lifelong labor in making a rough and rugged land a fertile and productive place. He also wanted to share his sense of pride with his son. Question number 5. Had the son ever been there before? Answer. The son had been there many times with the exception of the last 3 years. However, he had not seen anything extraordinary except white flowers, rock cliffs, and many species of hard and soft wood trees. Question number 6. What were the names of the vegetables the old man grew on his farm? Answer. He grew yams, potatoes, and tomatoes on his farm. Question number 7. Why did the old man take the steep path? Answer. The old man took the steep path because he was hale and hearty now. This was a way to have a good idea about his physical fitness and stamina. Question number 8. Why did the son at the age of 6 cry? Answer. The son cried as he had lost his little wooden plough in a furrow. He loved that plough a lot, so he cried bitterly when he lost it. Question number 9. What were the feelings of the old man at the age of 70? Answer. He felt that his life after 70 years was borrowed. He wanted to go back to the places he knew and loved in the past. Question number 10. Why had the old man planted his secret garden? Answer. He had planted his secret garden because this was the only land where he could not work in the past. Though he was old, he did it all alone. In fact, he wanted to relive the time of his youth.